Simple tricks if you want to be successful at affiliate marketing. Affiliate programs make use of the huge online market to create some extra cash, which is always welcome in these hard times. However, if you're just starting a site or your site isn't making much profit, you might not know what to do. This site contains useful tips and tricks to noticeably improve profits. Do not fall for schemes from so-called experts in the field who want to sell you on their affiliate marketing products. Believe it or not, every single piece of information you need to know about marketing can be found free of charge from multiple places online. The only benefit of a purchased program is that it gives you the information without searching. Affiliate marketers would do well to utilize sites like Google Optimizer. With this site, you can easily increase your profits as an affiliate by increasing your subscription base. Not every subscriber is going to become a customer for you, but the more subscribers you have, the more likely you are to turn commissions. Understand that this is not a get-rich-quick program and it will take some time to build up a program. The initial time to get a program started may seem slow, but keep in mind that this will end up being passive income. If you do the legwork on the front end, you can continue making money for years. If you plan on being successful with affiliate marketing, you must promote a product that is unique. You will have far better results promoting a unique product over one that is not unique, because a unique product is one that not many other affiliates will have. Therefore, you will have an edge on those other affiliates. When looking into an affiliate marketing program, make sure that you look into one that will be able to provide you with the most current statistics. You may have to do a little digging to find this. It is important that you know exactly what is going on within the company so that you can have the proper information as a manager within the program. As was mentioned before in the video, affiliate programs can be a very nice source of income. However, if you're lazy and uninterested in making your site attractive to your audience, your site will surely fail. You need to put in your time and effort if you want to see any rewards. Student loan,